What's going on? This is Jax Jones and I'm here with Twisted and they're going to put a spin on one of my favourite hangover foods. It's fish and chips. Fish and chips has a special place in my life. Like every Friday throughout my teens, you know, after a long week, my mum will be bringing in the fish and chips. And I've only got to marry a girl from up north. And she's from Grimsby, which is a fishing town. And they have a really famous fish and chips there. I want to shout out the place, it's called Steele's, like big up Steele's. And I must say, it's a bit of a pilgrimage. Every time we go to visit her family, I go there, I get the jumbo. It's not crazy expensive, but you get the bread and the butter and just the fish and chips, and it's just glorious. Like, it's now become such a tradition that I reach Steele's every time I go, that every relative in her 25-piece family buy me a Steele's vouchers, which I collect them all and I treat the whole family at Steele's. My man that owns Steele's, I imagine he's just like a mysterious guy that has a strong passion for fish and chips. So big up Mr. Steele's. If I was gonna put a spin on fish and chips, what springs to mind is just the bigger the better. When you get to a certain level, you need to move up another tier, you need somewhere to get to, and the jumbo in Steele's, as impressive as it is maybe a bit too small now, so I need something that stretches much further. Just the biggest fish. My perfect hangover day would be to wake up before 12 because you don't want to feel like the days disappear because you want it to be sunny. You want to be hungover where you're not like painfully hungover. You know, where it's just like you're a bit nonchalant, you're just like, and then you just saunter up to the fish and chip shop, bro, and then you're just chilling. I like to eat fish and chips in a restaurant. The fish is impressive, the batter's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's like, and it's not too alcoholic and all that, it's just nang. And then the chips is in abundance, what you need. But it's just the environment, like he's just had the same staff there for like 25 years and they come over, they just know, oh, it's like a cuddle with each bite. And it's the double carbon. If you're gonna do like white bread with butter as the starter, it's just simple, innit? I would describe my mum's cooking as like the Texan version of everything. She's just the ultimate comfort food chef. Everyone used to talk about when you go to my mum's house, and all my friends when they'd come round, and like basically she would just serve you a plate and it would just be like levels of food, like tiers, and it would just be everything, and the fridge was never empty. It was pretty intense actually. I think she's actually got an addiction. Yeah, if there was like one meal that I would eat for the rest of my life, probably fish and chips. Yo. That is very mad. First of all, the first question, is that a chip waffle? That is mad. Mushy peas, obviously, and the brioche butter, that's very. And then what's this batter looks, see what I'm saying, it's finely tuned. Best starter in the world, bro. What is this coleslaw?
It's tartar sauce.
Ooh. This is mad. All right, I'm about to try this crazy version of a fish and chips by Twisted. Oi, you guys are mad, you know. Okay. That's different, you know. How have you made that batter take? By Steele's, you might have to up your game a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. It was crispy, which is rare. All right, boom, I'm getting to the bulk of it now. Let's see how we get on. Oh my days. Oh, it's banging. Yo. Yeah, that's what it is, it tastes like, it's fish and chips, yeah? It's got a fried chicken twist to it, blood. I swear. Oh no! Cheers, Twisted, for this spin on my favourite hangover meal. Safe. Oh my days.
Together.
Look at that!
Amazing.